Abadala bafuna umsindo emajaridini ezishini khona ama-signature.
Kamo Mphela's latest track, Party, has been creating a buzz on TikTok, where fans are sharing dance challenges and celebrating the song's infectious energy. The song's presence on TikTok suggests it's gaining traction among fans, though specific details about its release date and official platforms are still emerging. Kamo Mphela, known for her dynamic amapiano sound and captivating dance moves, continues to captivate audiences worldwide. Her recent collaborations, including Daily with Khalil Harrison and Tyler ICU, and Wazalok with Brooksky and Nobentu Vilakazi, have further solidified her status as a leading figure in the amapiano genre. While Party is currently trending on TikTok, official streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music have yet to list the track. Fans are eagerly awaiting its official release and are encouraged to stay tuned to Kamo Mphela's social media channels for updates. For now, the best way to experience Party is by joining the growing community of fans on TikTok, engaging with the song's viral dance challenges, and sharing in the excitement surrounding its anticipated release. Here is a full snippet of the song.
Abadala bafuna umsindo emajaridini ezishini khona ama-signature. Ezishini khona ama-signature.